How to fix black screen on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, start by charging your phone. After you've charged your phone, simply click on power button and volume up button, which will open recovery mode. It can simply open your device as well if your phone is plugged into the charger. After that, you can simply see your black screen turning on and you will be able to use your phone. And this is how to fix black screen on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.